It's Dattling and welcome back to my channel. You guys been asking on Instagram for my vanity where I got it. I got it on Amazon. I will put the link below. This is just a full, quick, little cutesy tutorial on my vanity. So I'm obsessed. Literally, don't mind the mess on the side because I've been cleaning all day. This is the first drawer. This is where I put most of my makeup. Half of my makeup's in here. I need to get more space, guys. We are all over the place. We're getting September was getting organized. October is setting up the stage. I wanted to do a different background. I feel like it's so much easier to just record in front of my vanity. Like, this drawer is mostly my skincare drawer, just like for my body, my skin. And that bottle is witch hazel, amazing on the skin. And this is my Rizos curls drawer. You guys know I be using Rizos curls. And the other bottom drawer was just like where I put my straightener and styling utensils. This is my favorite drawer. The only thing is I'm having a problem with the constant like cleaning of the mirror and the glass. It's a thing. It's definitely teaching me how to be a lot of patience. Not a lot, having more patience with myself. And you guys know I'm a gold girly. This is where I got the mirror tray. I'm pretty sure from either Marshalls or TJ Maxx. And most of my jewelry is the jewelry I collected throughout the years. And I'm obsessed. I love gold jewelry. Most of these necklaces are from the brand that I work with, Slide. I will also put the link below in my description. That watch my brother gave me for my 21st birthday. So it's an heirloom now, And the other pieces are from, I'm pretty sure, Target. And that's my Tingle Teaser brush. I don't know where to put it, but I brush my hair every night, so it's just easier. And this is just extra bracelets that I made with my best friend. And yeah. And this is where I put my makeup brushes, my rose quartz love tree, and my mom gave me a really big cross, to protect me. Catholics. And this is like a vintage. I love this. My sister gave me this. She got it at a thrift. Oh, I can't speak, thrift store. And I'm obsessed. I just put my little tiny jewelry in there. I do want to collect more perfume, but I just haven't had the time. I've been this year has been a lot about organizing my life, and we're halfway there. This drawer is on the left side is most of my gua sha tools, and on the right side is all my nail polish. And I need a snack once in a while. I'll get hungry when I'm in my room. I totally moved my foot because my feet weren't done. And the last drawer, the second last drawer, is most of my equipment, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my vanity tutorial. I will again put the link below. Forgot about this. This is my best friend got it for me as well in Five Below. Love, love, love. And this is just like one of the stickies that I use to record, and a little tea light in the front. It's just a vibe, It's a vibe. I totally thought this video was going to end. I'm voiceovering this and I am like half asleep, guys. I am exhausted. It's been a week. I recorded this actually today and you're hearing me live October 1st. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. More is coming. October, like I said, are my favorite months. The October, November, December. It really is the most wonderful time of the year. Okay. Love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Mwah. Bye.